Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm super excited you're here today for the Sweets and Treats Open Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, May's Design Corner, Donna Decor and More, Dream with Caroline, and me, Jennifer at Home. All of the participating channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them out and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm so excited to put together something extra special for my sweets and treats. I'm going to make something really simple. This is going to be my own version of a little miniature Yule log. A Yule log is also known as a bûche de Noel. I'm going to take out a package of the little Swiss rolls and then I'm going to alter this to make it just like a small little tiny individual Yule log. I've included a picture here so that you can see just what a Christmas Yule log looks like. Christmas Yule logs have been around for many, many years, and they're made with a big flat sheet cake filled with icing and then rolled up and decorated to look like a beautiful big log out in the woods. Let me show you my mini little tiny version of that. I've opened the package and I'm going to take my little Swiss roll and I'm going to use a really big sharp knife and trim off the end so that we can see that beautiful rolled look underneath. I'll trim off the other end and there's the nice beautiful roll. I'm going to put it on the plate and then we're going to have a little log coming right off the side. So we'll cut a small piece and I'm going to cut it at an angle just like this. So we have a nice little roll and I'm going to put it right here along this so that it looks just like a log, like a tree log lying there with a knot coming out the side. Now that we have both of our pieces, the long log and the little piece that comes off the side, which is like the little knot coming off of the tree branch. And now we're going to put a little bit of icing on top. This is like a cake frosting. And I'm just going to put this on top to look like the snow. This is not as bright white as I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. You get the idea, just seeing what this looks like. We're going to take these wonderful sugar crystals. These are a decorative sugar crystal. We're going to put them on top to look like the frozen snow. And then we're going to take our powdered sugar and we're just going to give it a light dusting just across the plate to look like the fallen snow on top of the log out in the woods. And this is what our adorable little Yule log looks like. It's very traditional to see the swirl on the ends. This was so much fun and so easy. It only took minutes to put together. I am so glad you were here. I had so much fun putting together these adorable little Yule logs and the hot chocolate as well. They'll be perfect for the holiday season. So much fun and so little effort. I really appreciate you and I would be so happy if you check out all of the participating channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.